We're at 1600 109th Avenue Southeast, Bellevue. The date is June 8th, Friday, 2018. What you're looking at right now is the Bellevue City Main sewer line. We're about 95 feet, give or take, down the line. I'm cameraing this from the cleanout in the backyard, the farthest downstream cleanout. And I'm going to pull back from here and narrate as we go. So there's the drop into the main. We're in 6-inch concrete pipe right now, pulling back. This is after cabling. So here we come from 6-inch concrete and pulls back into 4-inch clay. So that red, now we're in clay, and this is 4-inch diameter pipe. Small root intrusion there, you see that dangler, something's coming in there. And there's a few of those throughout this pipe, which aren't all that bad, but I mean, I'd consider jetting them just to get rid of it and then not have to worry about it again. I'm kind of dragging a loose root on the bottom of my camera right now. Another little tiny one there. So the backup, see, this is all in pretty damn good condition. I mean, for a 50, 60-year-old clay pipe or whatever, however old this house is. Small one there. A little bit bigger there. Let's see the one that caused the backup here. I believe this was the one that caused the backup. So, still not all that big, but enough to catch the toilet paper, and or maybe it was this guy. This looks more like it. Yeah. So one of these two guys were the ones that caused the backup. I'm gonna send the cable down, try to cut out a little bit more of that.
Well, the pipes aren't broken or anything, so...
No breaks, nothing like that, so you're in pretty good condition. So your permanent solution is, so the jetting's a temporary solution. I mean, they're gonna grow back, their roots. How it works is every 3 feet is a new chunk of pipe. And so they just, back in the day when they built these, they just pushed them together. It's a bell end, male, female, just slid into each other. So there's a little crack in each one of those, every 3 feet. So that's where they come in, is to that little sliver. The permanent solution would be put a liner. They do these sleeves now, basically line the whole pipe, eliminate all those seams, no roots ever again. I mean,
how long is that pipe that we'd be doing?
You'd be doing, that's about 80 feet. I mean, if you were to go down that road and do the liner, you'd want to at least get to that 6-inch portion. Or maybe even, I mean, the worst roots were in that first 40, 50 feet. Maybe just the first 40, 50 feet, something like that.
But I mean, this is the